各位 P4 嘅同學仔，大家好！我哋又翻嚟今日嘅重點筆記環節啦。OK，有啲心水星嘅同學咧，的確我係做到傻咗，所以我咧 cap 咗小五嘅文章俾大家嘅。OK，咁我下一堂會 cap 翻啱嘅俾大家㗎啦。OK，但係照舊呢一個位，所以大家就唔使理住啦，得唔得？好啦，咁跟住落，我哋一齊睇翻落嚟呢一度先啦。OK，我哋一齊照舊做翻啲 tenses 先。第一樣嘢 everyday 解每天啊。咁所以呢個我講過好多次啦，你每日都做嘅，你會用現在式，即係譬如你講緊1至5我都要翻學校嘅，你唔會講話 I went to school Miss Lee 咁樣噶嘛 ，OK？ 咁所以我哋通常都講話 I go to school 啊 Miss Lee，OK？ 咁所以我哋繼續啦 ，Sam Wax，OK？ 記住一個人名咧係等於 he she it 嘅啫，所以你唔需要諗太多嘢㗎，得唔得 ？OK？ 咁跟住啦，再落去啦 ，he 後面嘅動詞幫我加翻 es 啦，今次。好，如果你仲未清楚幾時加 s 幾時加 es 嘅話，咁唔該大家幫我寫翻低一次啦。或者你本身話嚇 Miss 我好熟啦 ，OK， 咁你唔需要抄都得。但係如果你話唔係啊，我都 OK 㗎，我可以借呢個機會再重溫一次，你再抄都冇所謂嘅，得唔得？好啦，咁跟住 it 啦 ，loves 啦 ，learns。OK， 跟住我突然之間畫風一轉 right now 講過好多次，我哋用乜嘢㗎？係現在進行式啊，咁所以幫我寫翻低先，現在進行式。咁所以 Sam is sitting in his classroom。喂，而家佢話阿 Sam 坐咗喺佢班房啊嘛。好，咁跟住唔該幫我畫個時間線先。佢呢一度係咪坐低咗啊？跟住佢話佢第一樣嘢，佢聽緊老師講嘢啦，同學仔傾緊偈啦。但係傾偈唔係壞事喎，點解？原來因為佢哋做緊功課啊。得唔得？喂，換句話說，我坐喺班房嘅期間，我一直聽緊老師講嘢。我身邊同學仔有講嘢，而佢哋講嘢係因為佢哋做緊呢個練習。咁所以其實我第二段每一個動詞我都應該要落現在進行式，明唔明白我講咩？呢一個係我平時好想 train 你哋嘅思維啊，所以我而家擺埋落去重點筆記。你有時間唔中你就真係可能你有猶豫嘅時候，好似我咁畫翻條時間線，睇下其實係咪喺入面發生嘅。咁如果既然係嘅話，咁我哋就要一齊用翻晒現在進行式噶啦，得唔得 ？OK， 咁所以我哋寫翻啦。He is listening to his teacher。第一聽緊老師講嘢，第二佢嘅 classmate 呢度有 as 啊，所以 are talking。佢哋一齊傾緊偈，商量緊，喂，究竟其實呢一個 project 要點樣做㗎 ？Are working on the exercises。OK， 跟住啦，突然之間再轉一轉啦 ，yesterday， 所以 came， 因為話我雪琪 came to visit Sam yesterday， 好啦，咁跟住以你哋嘅習慣，你一定唔睇噶嘛，跟住一見到 tomorrow， 你覺得要落 will 啊嘛，但係我同你講今次係錯㗎，得唔得？第一樣嘢你少寫啦，少寫我講過好多次，你唔可以就咁話，喂，我覺得用緊 yesterday， 我全部寫晒過去式就算。第二樣嘢你都唔可以齋睇完。就唔再睇埋落去啦，得唔得？而家一齊睇翻啦。佢話喎，佢 couldn't help share her own experience， 即係佢忍唔住去分享翻佢嘅 experience at the zoo 啊，得唔得 ？Where she had lots of fun and feeding the sharks， 喂，好正啊！佢仲可以餵鯊魚喎。And Sam has never been to the zoo， 哇，原來阿 Sam 未去過動物園嘅喎。He set his mind to visit the， 我寫打錯咗添 ，the zoo 啊。OK，and bought the tickets right away。所以第二樣嘢，呢一度佢講緊下定決心啊！佢落咗個決定，佢要去動物園。第二樣嘢，佢已經買埋啲票啦。咁所以我哋將來式係啊，但係我哋有學過兩種噶嘛，50定80啊？呢個位我哋咪要落80咯，因為佢已經諗好晒佢要做嘅嘢。第二樣嘢佢飛都買埋 right away 係解立即啊。咁所以其實呢度我哋應該寫翻 is going to have another fun day。佢就話喂，聽日都係一個好正嘅一日啊。He is going to play soccer with his friend, and after that they are eating. After that they are going to eat. Okay, and watching and going to watch 應該係。得唔得？所以其實已經計劃好晒所有嘢嘅時候，我哋呢度就要落80%，得唔得 ？He gets it all planned out， 佢已經計劃好晒啦。得唔得？所以呢度我哋就要用翻 80% 嘅 future tense， 明唔明白 ？OK， 好，跟住再落去啦。今日講緊咩咧？哪吒冇錯啦！你哋成日咧喺上堂嘅時候係咁同我講話，喂，哪吒有幾好睇，哪吒有幾好睇，幾搞笑 OK，咁我哋一齊睇翻先啦。照舊先睇問題啦。而家我問你，喂，點解啲學生會覺得個 animation is fantastic？ 咩叫 animation 咧？幫我寫低動畫。咁點解我會覺得個動畫好正先？我唔係問你點解佢套戲正，我係問你點解佢覺得個動畫正。所以你唔可以同我講話，因為動畫好正咯，因為個故事情節好好咯。唔係啊，所以幫我寫翻低啦。第一，佢係喺呢一度出現咗 animation。好話啦，many students love Naza because of its amazing animations and thrilling story。好，冇解釋到點解佢哋咁中意個動畫喎。咁所以換言之，我哋就應該話they are fascinated， 佢哋係迷上咗啊。By the colourful characters， 咁可能原來個動畫好吸引係因為一有色彩繽紛、七彩繽紛嘅一個 characters 啊 ，and the magical world， 跟住啦，仲要有一個好有魔法、好有魔術嘅世界喎。Where the story take place？OK， 咁所以你呢度就應該幫我寫翻低啦。Because 你見我停咗一停，就係因為譬如啱啱我哋講咗係 colourful 嘅 characters 嗰啲嘢嘛，但係呢一啲全部係僅限於名詞嘅詞性，仲記唔記得我之前有講過嘅上堂都定係重點筆記？我話如果佢只係一個名詞嘅話，我哋係咪可以用 because？ 我話個 because 後面要係一個完整句子啊嘛，所以我哋今日反而要用到 because of 啊 ，because of the colourful characters and the magical world that the story took place， 係咪？係。OK， 咁所以我哋應該睇呢度嘅，跟住嗱再落去第二題咯喎，佢而家我就問緊啦，Why do some students say Naza is just like another classroom for them？ 喂，有啲學生話喎，喂，哪吒就好似係另一個嘅，sorry 啊，係啦，佢就話啦，哪吒咧就好似係另一個嘅班房喎，對於佢哋嚟講，我哋一齊睇下啦，邊度有講到 classroom 先？喺邊度有講及到？咦，喺呢一度喎，係咪啊？咁但係呢一個已經係嗰一段嘅最尾嗰句，所以我哋反而你要睇翻前面嘅，得唔得？我哋試下睇前一句先啦。好啦，而家佢就話啦，The story shows that even if you are different or face obstacle， 佢話個故事同你講，就算你係一個比較唔同嘅人，或者你面對緊唔同嘅困難啊。OK， you can still be a hero by doing the right thing。佢話你仍然可以成為一個英雄啊。透過去做一啲正確嘅事情，得唔得？正確嘅意思啊 ？OK， 咁所以究竟點解佢話哪吒係另一個班房？好，第一樣嘢你要諗到，其實班房用嚟做咩㗎？我用嚟去學習㗎嘛。咁所以換言之，其實呢一題的確你冇得抄㗎，因為你要答到俾我聽係咩？因為佢喺呢一個電影度，佢學習到唔同嘅嘢啊。Because in the movie they can learn other things。因為喺呢一個電影入面，佢哋都可以學習到其他嘢，得唔得？跟住再落去啦，第三題啦，佢問咁喎 ，What does Naza try to change about his fate？ 佢嘅命運啊！而家佢問咁喎，喂，哪吒咧其實嘗試咧去改變啲乜嘢命運嘅喎？咁我哋一齊睇翻先啦 ，OK？ 咁你一齊上去睇下咯喎。好，邊度有 fate 呢一個字先？究竟佢喺邊度有講過啊？你哋就要幫我揾下先啦。好啦，咁我哋應該要睇翻呢一度啦。 其實係呢個位嘛。而家講緊其實佢嘅命運係當中包括咗好多唔同嘅困難或者挫折啦。咁究竟佢去點樣做呢一件事咧？佢就話啦，They see how NASA face many challenges。佢面對咗好多挑戰啊 ，but never gives up。但係佢冇放棄過嘅。OK，this makes them believe that they can also overcome difficulties in their own。咁樣就話啦，令到啲學生咧都認為其實佢自己都可以嘅。咁但係我而家問緊啊嘛，喂，哪吒究竟佢嘗試咗做啲乜嘢啊嘛？啱啱先話其實佢會做咩啊？呢一度咯，咪就係 do 啊嘛 ，by doing the right thing 咯，得唔得？佢嘗試去做翻正確嘅事情，佢去 overcome 翻、克服翻佢面對緊嘅困難啊！所以幫我寫底。He tries to do the right things to change about his fate。跟住再落去第四題，我就問緊你啦。喂，其實咧啲學生咧嘅感受係點啊？當佢見到哪吒面對住唔同嘅挑戰啊，我哋啱啱有講到嘅喎，所以其實都會係喺呢一段度，得唔得？而家佢話喎佢哋見到咧哪吒咧係點樣去 face 唔同嘅挑戰，所以你應該係抄呢一個句子。咁發生咩事咧？佢就話 This makes them believe， 令到啲學生都相信啊，其實佢哋自己都可以同樣地好似哪吒咁樣，得唔得？去 overcome 去克服唔同嘅困難喺佢哋嘅生活入面啊！即係譬如可能有啲人嘅困難而家喺學業上就係我聽上堂嘅時候學嘅嘢我聽得明嘅，但係唔知點解我成日好快唔記得咗喎。咁其實佢個困難就係原來佢翻屋企欠缺咗重溫呢一件事，得唔得？或者佢冇乜動力去做啊？得唔得？咁可能呢一啲就係佢要慢慢去克服嘅，或者係有一個推力逼住佢去做嘅，得唔得？咁所以幫我寫翻落嚟呢一度啦。They think they can also They believe that they can also OK， 咁跟住啦，到最後啦，呢一度 on the edge of their seats， 好大 seats 咧，其實呢個字咧本身大家識嘅，座位嘅意思啦，得唔得 ？OK， 咁而家 edge 咧係解邊緣，佢就話啦，我哋一齊上翻去睇下先，佢本身成句嘢係點樣講嘅先？喺呢一度啊嘛，佢就話啦，呢個電影咧唔單止咧好有趣啊，睇得。But it also had a lot of actions， 但係同樣地，佢哋有好多唔同嘅動作咧，令到 everyone on the edge of their seats。好啦，令到所有人咧都好似喺佢哋座位嘅邊緣。嗱，你諗下喎，嗱，你本身坐咗呢一度啦，我當係一張凳啦 ，OK。跟住你越坐越邊邊，你越坐越邊邊，你幾時先會好想擁前再去睇㗎？係，當你好緊張，覺得哇好興奮、好正、好刺激嘅時候，你先會再睇噶嘛。咁所以點解佢會講話每個人都坐咗喺張凳嘅邊緣？其實就係講佢哋都好興奮啊，好期待 eager to， 好期待去睇下陣間會發生咗乜嘢事啊？得唔得 ？OK， 所以其實咧，你有時你睇英文咧，有啲句子咧，你直譯完之後，你幫我諗翻個情節。想像一下，其實你就會更加容易啲去估到㗎啦，得唔得？即係譬如我同你上堂嘅時候，我成日都俾好多問題你哋去答我啊嘛。但係只係而家爭咗咩位呢？你自己一個做嘅時候，你要做埋我嘅角色，你去問翻自己一啲問題，其實你就都會諗到㗎啦，得唔得 ？OK， 呢一個係我想你哋都做到嘅目的嚟㗎，得唔得 ？OK， 咁好啦，我哋今日就先咁樣先啦，P4，拜拜。